Welcome back to the mini-series Cooking Up the Season. This series highlights in-season foods found at local farmers markets, farm stands, and grocery stores. I am Regina Mosley, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension serving Nash and Edgecombe counties. Today our focus is on blueberries. Blueberries are low-fat, saturated fat-free, sodium-free, cholesterol-free, a good source of dietary fiber, and a good source of vitamin C. Blueberries are in season in North Carolina beginning mid-May through mid-July. When selecting blueberries, choose firm, plump, dry berries with a dusty blue color and uniform in size. You want to avoid packages that contain moldy berries. You store unwashed blueberries in the refrigerator in a container with a lid for up to 1 week. To freeze blueberries, place the rinsed berries on a paper towel lined baking sheet in a single layer and freeze for 1 hour. Place in a freezer container with a lid and freeze for up to 9 months. When preparing blueberries, you rinse the blueberries thoroughly just before preparing. Remove any shriveled or moldy berries. Blueberries are good for cooking or eating raw. If you are using frozen berries to bake with, you do not want to let them thaw before using. If they thaw before use, this will cause the juice and color to bleed out. So gently add berries to batter as the last step before baking. Fresh berries will not bleed unless their skin is broken. Here is a corn blueberry wild rice salad recipe. You will need 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons honey, a half a teaspoon ground cumin, a half a teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 cups fresh corn, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup wild rice cooked, 1 cucumber finely diced, 1/4 cup red onion, and 1/4 cup cilantro chopped. You will mix the dressing, so in a large serving bowl, combine lemon juice, olive oil, honey, cumin, and salt, whisk together with a fork. Add the corn, blueberries, rice, cucumber, onion, and cilantro. Stir together all ingredients to coat them evenly with dressing. Serve immediately or cover and refrigerate 1 hour to let flavors meld. Thank you for participating in the 7th lesson of the Cooking Up the Season mini-series. For more information on blueberries, contact Regina Mosley at regina_mosley@ncsu.edu.